In this video, I will show you how to delete a saved playlist on YouTube. To get started, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, if you come up to the top left-hand corner, next to the YouTube logo, you want to click onto these three lines to expand the menu. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit to the U section. In here, you're going to find your playlists. So give that a click. That's going to take you to your playlist page. And from here, what you can do is come up to the top and click onto the Saved tab. Now, what that's going to do is bring up all your saved playlists on YouTube. And to delete a playlist from here, just simply hover over the playlist you want to delete. Underneath, you're going to see the option to view full playlist. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, from here, if you look next to the play all button, you're going to see the bookmark tab here. All you need to do is give this a click. As you can see, it says remove from library, and that's going to delete your saved playlist from YouTube. So if I actually come back to my playlists and I'm going to come up, you can see I've now got no saved playlist, as that was the only one I had saved. And that is how to delete your saved playlist from YouTube. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.